Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. Guys, if you want to change the name of your Facebook group, then this video is helpful for you because in this video I will show you how you can change the name of your Facebook group very easily. So guys, let's get started. First of all, open your Facebook application and then click on three lines on top right corner. After that, click on groups. And here on the top right menu, you can see your groups. Click on it and then scroll down, and here you can see groups you manage. Here your all groups will appear. You can select the group you want to change the name. So I want to click on first group. After that, click on manage and then scroll down and find group setting. You can see here in setting tab, group setting appears. You can click on it, and here you can see name and description. You can change the name and description here, so click on it, and here you can see our group name appears here. Click on it, and here you can change. For example, I want to change the name. For example, I want to change this name. So after changing this name, you can select save. So in this way, our group name will be changed. So guys, you can see our name on Facebook group has been changed. So guys, in this way, you can change the name of your Facebook group very easily. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.